So what's the benefit of staying in hostels? Fucking all this. The Madison Square Garden. Double box. Welcome to New York. We got a fucking frosty coon. Ayo, what's happening, guys? This is the beginning of a 5-week trek to a bunch of different countries that launches from New York City. So I decided to start it with a show in New York City at the Manhattan Center, and this is us crossing the bridge into here. We're bringing back the voiceovers because that was a long video. Well, actually, it's coming to an end, but yeah, we're gonna wrestle in New York, and this is kind of just the overall vlog of the time I was there. I didn't really get anything too specific, but yeah, this is the top of the venue, which is the only thing I really filmed from wrestling. And then you come out the venue and it's snowing like a beautiful fucking majestic journey. So check it out, guys. Bob's here. New York, the city that never sleeps. The city of snow, the city of up late at night. The city of $1 pizza. Let's go get us a $1 pizza. Oh God, I thought the taxi was stopping. We're a real piece of shit. All right, so we're here now. I think it's I try not to do vlogs at night, but since I'm gonna be doing fucking like clip art and shit we're here at the Madison Square Garden in the heart of the fucking Manhattan. Just wrestled at the Manhattan Center. Got the falafel. Let's see what the falafel's talking about. Thank you, my friend. And we also got spicy rice and chicken over there. That's what I'm thinking about. It'll be a little more costly though. What we can get over here is $1 pizza at Madison Square Garden in fucking beautiful New York City. We just left the show. Check it out. Fire. No chairs. We're not having people sticking around. All right, we got $1 slice in us. Looks yummy. Worth it for $2.50. Now we're gonna walk towards the. God damn, it's cold. We're gonna walk towards the train and get on it. The lights look crazy. I don't know if my phone's fucking up or what. I guess it just is nighttime, but what it's like in here. This shit ain't coming for 30 minutes, bro. I'm gonna just get it Uber, unfortunately. Find another 30 bucks. You know, I just don't want to sit here. Check this out. The center part where we're at. This shit's crazy. tell you, man, I used to be super high on New York and the trains, but the train I need to get on is fucked. It's closed. So, and yeah, I had given up, but I don't know if I filmed me halfway not giving up again. So yeah, we're done. Gotta go eat the Uber, get some rest. I got a fucking flight tomorrow. Dude, fuck my life. Alright, so that's a wrap. We did the 99-cent pizza. We did the public transport, kind of. Now we're here in snowy Madison Square Garden. It's time to get a ride and go the fuck home, brother. Alright, we made it back to the hostel. Central Park. A little $50 a night stay, right smack dab in Central Park. So we got the full New York experience. I'm definitely going to bed. I thought I was gonna smoke. I'm going to bed. It's cold. Fucking Central Park, dollar pizza. We thought we were gonna get on the public transport, but we at least saw it. Now we're back at the hostel. Just like that. Bob's here. It's the last day in New York of this trip. I'm gonna check out some parks and stuff. New York's pretty cool. It's got a lot going on. Culture and yada yada. You gotta get moving. At first when you wake up in the morning, it's like, oh my God, the cold, the wind, all that. But just like Joey Diaz said, just go for a walk, cocksucker. Oh, there's the wind. Oh, oh, oh. That's the face the wind makes me make. Central Park's across the street, I think. That is not Central Park. That is Morningside Park. Dude, I almost slid in the fucking snow on the ice. It's wild out here. We got a couple hours till I take off. Just gonna make some laps around New York, and that's gonna be it for New York. I think this one will just be like a entirety of the experience. Going to the Manhattan Center. Tonight we fly out to Ecuador. Central Park. Central Park in the snow is badass. Yeah. It's a beautiful morning. I tell you, man, it's a beautiful place out here. It's interesting. Well, it is cold, but where I'm from, you can't just well, there's barely any parks like this for sure. I mean, we have parks, but yeah, I guess we just don't take advantage of them as much. But it's snowing, there's kids sledding down the hill. This could probably happen like a lot of the time. It's pretty beautiful. So what's the benefit of staying in hostels? Fucking all this. Oh, okay. I gotta do the tour video. Sorry, like that. We are here at Central Park, mere steps from my hostel door, where the kids are playing kids are skiing, and people are enjoying their snow day. Let's go see what this hostel's like. You may got balance, but can you walk down the icy stairs with a latte in your shoulder and a blunt? Bob's here. Alright. We're inside. Double box. 2-person room. 2 locks. Gotta go freshen up. So I'm doing this kind of backwards, but from the entrance, it's a couple of stairs and hallways until you get to whatever your little area is gonna be, especially in like New York and Philly. They're like straight up in top buildings. Maybe they got another building somewhere else. And showers in here. Listen, man. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm skipping the shower today. I got like 4 layers of clothes on and I'm cold, but this is what it is. Pretty sick. I got 3 in this one. Little freshen up area, places to hang your stuff. Slidey, we got the slidey and the curtain. I'm sure we got good pressure. This is America, so Not as cool as the double curtain, but it's a pretty good hostel. Let's see what the rest looks like. Got the men's toilet area. There's a bit more room to freshen up. This one's longer. I guess they got, that's pretty cool. They got a sink in there for if you're taking a shower, you can just hop on out, get ready. But we're gonna freshen up. Got all the things we need in here. You heard me? All the things we forgot right here. You heard me? I'll do this shit before I forget it. Check you in here and shit. Answers is down there. Comment Hostel. Alright. I don't want to get these people's business too much. And there's also politics on TV, which is crazy for a hostel. Big dining showing room. You store your luggage there after you check out. There's kitchens on each of the floors. Alright. This is what you can expect in a hostel. A place for your belongings. Shelf deal. Electrical outlet. A light. Privacy in the pod ones. Not all hostels got this, but this pod does. It's about to head out. A couple things we're doing. I gotta get to the airport early because I'm only able to get one boarding pass. So I'm gonna go see what that's about. I got 3 flights today. 3 flights today. I got 3 fucking flights today. Anyways, we're gonna rock and roll. Fill this up with free water from the hostel. I'm not going right to the airport, but yeah, I gotta get on the bus and shit, so. This guy, this is dirty clothes. I was able to recycle the bag and put dirty clothes in there to distinguish shit from the clean clothes in my bag, stop it from getting stinky. All the necessary things are in here. Towel, blanket, yada. We'll fold it back up. And get out of here.